Things used to be simple and straightforward. The office was the office, business travel was business travel, and then you would have the well-deserved holidays or vacations if you're in the North America, either at home or anywhere else in the world. Pretty simple cut, right? So what has changed? Well, first of all, we barely remember where our corporate offices are located. Our homes have turned into offices. Business travel is a distant memory, and everything kind of blended into one. And now, in the Northern Hemisphere at least, we are preparing for the summer holidays. This summer, we will need to work extra hard to disconnect from our work and to allow us to truly reset and rest. Here are my 5 tips to make it easier for you. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel, where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I'm a senior certified coach with an industry background, and I've had the opportunity to career coach hundreds of talented individuals just like yourself. In case you're up for weekly career acceleration tips, feel free to subscribe below here and hit the notifications bell. The fact is that we all need to take care of ourselves. Big time. Everybody needs downtime and a chance to clear their RAM memory for a new work season. As work and home have blended into this one, and travel is still restricted, there is a higher risk of not letting go of work, even during the summer months. And this will be counterproductive, as you will start the new season again with already low energy levels. Take care of yourself, take time off, and disconnect. Here are my 5 tips that you can try to put into effect. Number 1, plan and delegate. You might be on a senior level where you have an assistant to be the gatekeeper in that sense. Then it's easy for you, although there might be more people trying to reach you. Otherwise, pick somebody from your team. Pick somebody who's going to be there for those weeks. Make a plan and delegate. Out of office messages, all those go to that person. If somebody really needs to get a hold of you in an emergency, then they call that person. That person has your private number, whatever it is, to get a hold if really needed. But this is not normally the case. Number 2, remove email from your phone. If you have one phone, if you take that phone which you normally use for work as well, remove the email app. You don't need it. You don't need to have that beeping and messages coming in and out. Business doesn't stop just because you take a holiday. You don't need it. It overloads your brain, makes you check emails. Just don't. You can always put it back in when you go back in to work. Number 3, remove apps that you have on the phone that have these instant notifications. Teams, Slack, WhatsApp is tough because it tends to be a mix of professional and private, but at least put all the messages into silent and put a WhatsApp message. There's a status update. Call it I'm on a vacation or holiday until XYZ. At least silence all the channels if you can't really leave a group and then come back in. But Teams, Slack, all those things, you don't need them. You don't need that. We all know how many Teams messages we get and Slack messages do we get. You need to silence those for those weeks that you're off. It's just a must. Otherwise, you will never take a holiday. Number 4, out of office to whatever place possible, and do that in your last work day. Take half a day to set it all up. Don't do it on the first holiday. The day when you're leaving. After lunch, just fix all those things and have it off your chest, and then move on to the holidays the day after. Number 5, try to get at least 2 weeks off. I mean, we've been there. If you're in a hectic work environment, busy work environment, the first week is just a withdrawal week. It's a hangover week to kind of to get the blood pressure down, to get to the holiday mood in that sense. So if you just take a long weekend or a week, you never get to that resetting state. Try to get 2, 3, 4 weeks. I mean, some countries allow up to 5, but whatever you can get, but at least 2 weeks, preferably more, to really to loosen up. And travel is still restricted, but I don't think it's about getaways to tropical islands or anything. It's about getting out of the home work blended environment. Go camping, go forest, go anywhere out of the house to change the environment where your brain might connect like it's work, it's that. Enjoy your downtime, and if you found this video useful, give it a like, share, and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.